Hi and welcome to another episode of My Life in 75 Square Feet. I'm Bob and today I'm out at the beach again. Life is going on as usual and normal. I don't know what's gonna happen, but this is what's going on here at this beach. You can't even get a parking space and there are cars backed up down the causeway trying to get one. Every now and then somebody leaves and somebody gets lucky. But look at this. Oh, there's a space there. I've been out to some stores and there is almost nothing to get in some stores, and other stores have a lot of stuff. It seems like the stores that have lower prices have less things available, and the stores that have higher prices have more things available. Well, this really doesn't surprise me at one bit. Today is in the 80s. It's a nice day here. There's people everywhere around here. I just can't believe how crowded it was. I've been here all winter. This is the most crowded it's been. I've been waiting for this to happen.
Are you vlogging?
Somebody just asked me. What did he ask me?
Are you vlogging?
Now.
Hi!
It's spring break and you could tell that here at the beach, spring break. A lot of the cars are gone now that we're in this line on the causeway. You can see in the background all the people on their little boat items and stuff. There goes some Tarpon Springs police officer just went by. I just talked to them. They said they're here just because it's spring break and there's a lot of people around. Here's all the traffic coming in. Lots of cars, lots of people. I was starting to say a little while ago that I've been going to stores here and there, and the stores are crazy. And I can't believe that toilet paper, of all things, is going the fastest. I don't understand that at all. I'm just wondering if it gets really bad and we get down to needing food, what's gonna happen? We'll just have to see. These are definitely different kind of days. I have been giving a little thought about going back to New York, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. My daughter asked me to come back there, but I think I'm gonna stay here in Florida till my planned time to leave, but I don't know yet. Making decisions as the days go. I live day by day. Did you ever hear that from me before? Well, I'm down at the end of the causeway, and as you can see, all the parking spaces are taken to the end. All the way down. I definitely can't believe the number of people out on this beach today. I've been around all winter and this is the most. I guess that's how it goes when you have this time of year. I was walking on this beach and these kids came up to me and said, "We subscribe to your channel." These were the kids in the car yelling at me.
Are you vlogging?
Somebody just asked me. What did he ask me?
Are you vlogging?
Now.
Hi!
Hey guys.
Hi.
So what do you have to say? Anybody?
Shout out to Luke's Chiefs.
Say it loud, bro.
Shout out to Luke's Chiefs and Rolling Stars. Baseball. Yeah, baseball and football.
All right. You know, sometimes all this just makes me wonder if all this stuff is just made up. I don't know. I'm wondering if maybe the media is making this a lot worse than what it is. But if you look out here today, you can obviously see behind me that there are people everywhere. And I don't think these people are worrying one bit about COVID-19. I think this is the first time that I've seen ambulances come down here with the fire truck. Who knows what happened? I think this guy hurt his ankle. Well, I talked to one of the EMT guys and they said nothing much happened. He got a cut. He said it was a pretty bad cut. Wasn't a broken ankle like I thought, but just a cut. Look at this right here. No more showers for me in the gym. I'll be using this setup for a while. I don't know what is going to happen in the next days to come. I hope all of you stay healthy, and I hope everybody is okay through this. Well, I got to get going now. If you like this video, I encourage you to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I encourage you to subscribe and click that bell so you'll be notified of my next videos. Until next time, have a happy